Hey, what's up there? Want to do a quick review on these LED replacement bulbs. We bought these for our microwave because the original ones burn out pretty quick. So we chose to go with these LED ones. Can't be happier with these. Cannot be happier with these. They provide plenty of light. Of course, I know it's daylight right now, so it's kind of hard to see, but they were super easy to replace. In our case, our microwave's got one screw up here, comes out, that drops down, and you literally just slide the bulbs in and out of there. So super easy to do. At nighttime, it lights up our whole kitchen. We got a pretty good sized kitchen, so definitely happy with them. Glad we made the purchase. The only one caveat with these is that on low, if you turn this on low, you can actually start to see a flicker. It's not real noticeable, but if you're in the dark, it's highly noticeable. So just wanted to throw that out there too. But other than that, we just leave it on high, so it's not a big deal. So really like them. If you're looking to upgrade, maybe up burnout bulbs, would definitely recommend these. Thanks.